What is up, real life trader nation from around the world? It's Jeremy Alexander Newsom. I am thrilled, excited, honored, privileged, and blessed to be here reviewing the Monday real life stock review with and for you. Today is Monday, August the 2nd, 2021. New day, new week, new month. Going to be a lot of candles to look at, and I'm pumped about it. This is the broader market. We're not going to cover too much time on this because really I think it's kind of easy. We hit an all-time high just 2 or 3 days ago. We gapped up today. We kind of filled the gap a little bit, and I think that's perfectly fine for us to hang out here and just consolidate for a while. A little bit more bearish than bullish up here on day trades and shorter term trades just because we are so high. And again, last week was an all-time high. If we pull back to the 50, great. At some point, we got to get back down to the 100, even if it just requires us trading sideways for a while. So yeah, I'll watch the SPY pretty closely. We will see. I'm by no means bearish on it, but I will be watching for bear day trades, especially if we take out this support resistance here. This is a 78-minute chart. So really good support around this 436.40 area. If we take that out, yeah, I could day trade it bearish a little bit and eventually let it trade into the 100 and then buy the dip. Qs actually closed up today like a penny, 0.01%. Small candle. We did make a higher high and a higher low. We're still consolidating and compressing. So in general, that's kind of healthy. And of course, the Dow Jones chilling, trading sideways for the most part. IWM, about the same thing. For my option traders, IWM a really good candidate right now for iron condors, at least in my opinion. It's in the exact same place it's been since February, and pretty cool and excited for it just to hang out and keep doing, well, nothing. All right, some reviews. Pinterest, P-I-N-S, big gap down on earnings. So many people are very excited about getting into Pinterest, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing to be excited. I am saying it's at a very strong support where it bounced back in May. If you are buying here, this would be the top of the pyramid, so buy more as it goes a little bit lower. I do think Pinterest can go lower with this gap, with this volume, with this double top, with these consecutive lower highs. Here's the weekly chart, and my initial opinion on it is just scaling as it goes lower. Don't go too heavy here with leaps or anything like that. It is showing that it's in a distribution phase. And can it pop and you get a good close above here? We slowly fill this gap? Absolutely. But I think it's going to be a little bit slower than faster. Give it time. Probably non-directional option trading will most likely be best on Pinterest. Don't be super aggressive because right now the trend on the daily is bearish and on the weekly it's bearish. Now again, the last time that happened was back in May at that support. First time it got down there, really great buying zone. And the time that I really went in a little bit heavier on Pinterest was specifically this candle on the 24th and the retest on the 26th, and then this breakout on June 7th. Meaning, did I catch the exact bottom of Pinterest? No, I did not. Most of my bullish positions came in around here after it kind of stabilized and supported itself for a while. I will look to the exact same thing on Pinterest later in the week. All right, Amazon, kind of the same thing. I mean, I think we all know Amazon will eventually go higher. Today's a beautiful inside day candle. Pressure's building in between the 100 and the 200. A lot of bear volume. Keep your eyes on Pinterest. Keep your eyes on Amazon. Could really go in either direction. Boom. Pop for the bulls. And if it goes bearish, that's fine. I just wouldn't be super aggressive on shorting Amazon. It is Amazon after all. They had great earnings. Expectations were probably too high. And yeah, I mean, day trading, short-term trading, sure, let's play it on the bearish side. But eventually this gap will fill bullishly on Amazon. It could take 3 or 4 months, but by the end of the year, I think it'll fill. Virgin Galactic, having a little bit of a bullish pop today. Some people are keeping an eye on it down here. Just good risk reward off of the 100, 200 simple moving average, in my opinion. Hewlett Packard, HPQ, slowly going up. This is the weekly options newsletter that we got into from the free week, which was just 2 weeks ago. Hope you are enjoying that potential profit on HPQ. Unity Software also double bottomed and filled us on a weekly options newsletter as well. So I'm kind of hoping that continues going up. Palantir, Yawn City. Google, Googl, also had great earnings, hanging out, consolidating, and geez, Louise, on some trees. If it broke above 2700, I don't know why it wouldn't just go higher. My opinion would be to let it trade sideways a little bit longer before going higher. Or if you're looking at playing Google, try to buy a little bit bigger of a dip. But man, this thing is just absolutely scorching the earth. Speak of scorching the earth, it's here. Tesla, the breakout. This is it. The open of today's candle opened above many, many months in a row. It did it on a daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. The weekly momentum indicator did flip to bullish just last week. This was a beautiful gap, and I posted a very large wager just Friday that if we close below $624 before September 20th, I will shave my beard. So that'll be, in truest form, a multi-million-dollar bet for me personally. I don't think it's going to happen, but I am all ready for Tesla to go higher. My personal plan from here, buy the dip into like 690-ish with some shares with call options, and then have a stop in place. This will be it, a close below 624. We will find out if I'm right or wrong, but I can tell you this, from a chart perspective, it looks great. Good earnings, good close, good candle, good compression, all the things. Bollinger Bands, even if you use those, we close inside the top band. It's starting to expand. The trend looks good. We've been trading sideways forever. I like it. I'm in. I have positions. I got shares. I got calls. I got put sales. I got bull put spreads. If it can make money with Tesla going up, I'm in it. And as long as it stays above 624 between now and September 20th, I'll make a little bit of coinages on just some of the volatility plays, but absolutely be prepared on Tesla to buy some dips and watch it for day trades. The day trades in the last few days have been exceptional. Congratulations to Craig Levine for making 17 R's on Tesla in the last 2 or 3 days. That is fantastic. Speaking of R's, ladies and gentlemen, AMD is tearing it up. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Look at my boy Tage, 5.99. Let's call it 6. Let's be nice and call it 6 R's. Look at this trade. 104.30 by 103.83, buying the bottom of the day. Tage is a time traveler, by the way. So if anybody wants to travel in time, reach out to this guy right here. He knows how to do it. Amazing, amazing trade. Robert, brand new to RLT, but look at this beautiful family my boys got. I love it, Rob. Awesome trade. Playing this hammer on AMD on the 3-minute. Look at this. This is a layup. I mean, Rob, you should give that money away, man. That was too easy. Great trade. And then Zach, look at this trade that Zach made. Very, very similar trade. This one on the 2-minute chart. So him and Rob playing the exact same thing, and I absolutely love it. Anyway, traders, that's pretty much it for me. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys are incredible. Buy the dip on AMD, the breakout tier. Be bullish, stay bullish, and I will be back on Wednesday for your next trade review. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.